Menteri katanat kakoi kekhia uba Wailadmiki Shylla ula ong banak liang ka Sorkar kala shimkhia kabaya debat ka jingdawa jingnong troi ASHA ban pyllait no jingsiew badang sa teng jongki. La ban kedo bahaduk palat 9,000 ngut kinong troi ASHA hapo ka jela Meghalaya kidang Bteng ban pelong ya ka jingiakhih da ka jingsiew troi kam ban penpau persya halur ka jingpen slam jong ka Sorkar ban pyllait no jingsiew ki jongki. Kidon kat tu ka ni ke namar ke pisah ke day ke bawan nak Sorkar Bteng. Ngila Bteng ban tenru ban pyllait no kham kloy ya ke pisah ong uba Wailadmiki haba keren syakilat sai kebor haga kat sau trik kelalingkon. Menteri uladab ban ya keren kham haswa ya ke kam bad mission director ke NHM ubala kular ya kinong turi ASHA ba unsa pentip ya ke jingmi ki babun. Kampat wan syaka jingtip jonga bagindang Bteng ya kajing sangek terekam. Henry ngila Bteng ban tenru nak benta ban pyllait no ya kan kepisa ban rap uba Wailadmiki. Kani kajing aki jo kinong turi ASHA kelayat mentala nyos ni kenti.
Also, there was a slight issue with because as you know that the money of the is coming from the center. So we are last time also I already discussed with my MD. Then I think from his end also he has called them, and then they have he have assured from his end he has assured them. But in the meantime, I don't know. I have not come to my knowledge that regarding anything that they are going to continue with their strike and all. But from our end, we are pushing that the amount to be released as soon as possible.